Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I would like to thank you all for supporting our channel, for providing so much support and love to our channel that today we are a family of 10K. Thanks a lot to each and every one of you. Well, in this video, I'm having a good news for all of you that Wipro is hiring for the batch of 2020 and 2021. So we'll be discussing the complete detail in the video itself too. So do watch the complete video. Also make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now, and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Guys, many of you have asked me regarding the programming courses and all such stuff, right? So let me tell you, Geeks for Geeks is one of the amazing platforms, and I'm hoping and I'm sure that you must have heard about it, right? So it is providing so many amazing courses. You can just explore their courses, and if you want to purchase any of the course, you can get the discount of 10% by using the coupon code Study with Soumya. Every character should be in capital. So use the coupon code. Even the coupon code is provided in the description itself. So in case of any confusion, do check the description, use the coupon code, and you will be getting 10% off on their courses, right? So use the coupon code, get the discount, and start learning. Happy learning, guys. So let's see about this opportunity. So you can see here we are on their career page. It is mentioned event elite off campus for year 20 and 21. Talking about the job description, so Elite National Talent Hub 2020 and 2021 is a freshers hiring initiative to attract the best of 2020 and 2021 engineering talent across the country. The objective of this initiative is to enable an equal opportunity for employment to the most deserving talent, right? Talking about the eligibility criteria, so education that they have mentioned is 10th standard 60% or above, 12th standard 60% or above. In graduation, 60% or CGPA equivalent to 6 or above as applicable by the university guideline. Year of passing 2020 and 2021. Qualification BE, BTech, 5-year integrated MTech. Branch of study is all streams allowed except the stream from fashion, food, textile, and agriculture. Designation that you'll be getting is project engineer. Compensation will be 3.50 lakhs per annum. Service agreement will be there. That is applicable for 12 months post joining, and 75,000 rupees has been mentioned here. Let's talk about the other criteria, that maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th standard and graduation, should be from a full-time degree course recognized by the central state government of India. No part-time or correspondences or distance learning education, either 10th or 12th or degree. No backlogs, standing arrears allowed. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months. So if you have participated in any selection process which has been held by Wipro in the last 6 months, then you are not eligible. Should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card. Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizen certificate. Talking about the selection process, so every eligible candidate must go through below online sections, below detail appended for your reference. So first of all, there will be an online assessment of 128 minutes comprising of 3 sections. Let's explore about them as well. So first of all, aptitude test will be consisting of logical ability, quantitative ability, English ability. Duration will be 48 minutes. Then written communication test. So in the online itself, all these sections will be there, right? So there should be no confusion. Written communication test, you will be having essay writing, for which the duration is 20 minutes. Online programming test will be consisting of 2 programs for coding. Duration will be 60 minutes. Candidate can choose any of one of the programming language for coding test, that is Java, C, C++, or Python. It is entirely the responsibility of Wipro to permit or limit the participation of each candidate in the Elite National Talent Hub 2020 and 2021 recruitment process. After passing the online test, you have to go through a technical round and basically technical interview and HR interview, right? Further details are also mentioned, that if you are having any query, concern, please contact at this particular mail that is mentioned, manager.campus@wipro.com, with the subject Elite NLTH 2020 and 2021. So this is a wonderful opportunity for 2020 and 2021 batch. Hope you have found this video useful. Also share the video among your friends as well who are eligible for this drive, so that even they can know about this opportunity. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.